Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today we are doing a Beauty Big Bang review for their first set of stamping polishes. Check them out. I was so excited about this. I've been looking forward to playing with these and review them for you. Now I want to show you, so here's Beauty Big Bang's business card, and that is their website right here. But as always, I will have a link to their website as well as links to all these stamping polishes down in the description bar. You may use my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount at checkout for any products on Beauty Big Bang. And I want to show you, I have these out of the packages already, and I'm only going to show you a box for one of them, but I want to show you how they come in this beautiful gold letter box, and they are labeled stamping polishes right there. Okay, so if you just by any chance finish seeing my previous video where I did some review of their holographic polishes, these boxes are very similar to them, but the only difference is that they have this label here saying stamping polishes. And so I have, these are 5 out of the, I forgot how many others they have. You have to go and check them out. They come in sets in a collection of 2 different sets, or you can purchase them individually. And the 3 that I have in the center right here, this is a red, a brown, and a gray. These are creams, and I'm going to try these over the holographic polish that I have here as a base, and this is another review that I did on the previous video, and I will have that one linked under this video as well. These 2 right here, the gold and this royal blue, oh, it's so gorgeous. Both of these are metallic, obviously the gold, but yes, this blue is a metallic stamping polish. Let me show you. So I will have to try these over a different base. This is, oh, wow, it is absolutely gorgeous. That royal blue, wow, it is, I'll say, totally, it's very, very royal. That blue is so rich. Wow, I'm stunned by it. And this beautiful gold, cannot wait to try. But these right here, these cream ones, since you know, for contrast, I'm gonna go ahead and try these out over my holographic polish, over my holographic base. So let's go ahead and give those a try. One that I'm going to try is going to be the red one over the nails where I have the black holographic polish. One I'm giving a try over my blue nail is this brown, is the brown polish. I'm going to try the gray one over the red nail. So here's the final result on the 3 cream polishes. Again, this is the red, and as expected, you know, I've yet to see a red that shows its true color over black. Okay, it comes out looking more like a brown compared to, this is the brown right here, right against the blue. It's still to its true color, and this is the gray. But the red, yes, we're definitely going to give it a try over white and see how it shows. But as far as the quality of the stamping, picking up the image and spreading well, it did absolutely gorgeous. They did really, really well, good quality. And I will mention too, I do not have a strong smell coming out of these unless you definitely stick your nose to it, okay? But coming out from my hand distance to my nose and just keeping my head over while I'm painting, nothing. I can't say that there's anything extremely bad over these, or nothing overwhelming that I can say when it comes to the scent. I know some people are sensitive to that, so that's why I am mentioning it. It's nothing, it doesn't seem like anything normal other than the normal scent. You will smell something when you stick your nose to them, but here they are. Now I'm going to go ahead and give them a try, and I'm going to use my Beauty Big Bang stamping mat so we can try them over black and white. Okay guys, so here are all 5 colors. Here's the royal blue in metallic, the gold. Both of these, you can see them, they come out really well over the black and white, especially when you turn them on the side and you see the lighting reflecting off of them. Here's the brown that I already tried on my middle nail here over the blue, and this is over black and white. Here's the red again. We knew what it was going to do over the blacks. It's looking more like brown, but beautiful over white. And then the gray here, you can see it is very noticeable over white, and of course very good over the black as well. And I am lifting my mat here because of the glare from the light. So yes, I will definitely recommend these guys and these bottles. So these bottles are just a little larger than the holographic polish, regular polishes. These are 9mm bottles right there, you can see. Okay, hopefully I think you can see it better on the gold. So 9mm, really good size, and you can see the brushes. I think they're a really good size and not easy to work with them as well. So yes, I will definitely recommend these guys. Check them out. Check out the links down in the description bar below. If you're interested in these, remember that you can get a 10% discount using my code NAQ57. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.